Hi, sixth graders. Today for math, we're going to be working on coordinate planes and graphing. You guys are going to need this page. We're going to take some notes together, and then you're going to practice what we talked about. All right? So let's get started with our notes. Coordinate planes. In math, we use a grid called a coordinate plane. Not plan, coordinate plane. Here we go. To locate points, we're going to label them. We're going to learn about the different parts, and then we're going to practice labeling. All right, the first thing, the coordinate plane is two basically number lines, right? This number line, there's one here, positive, negative, and then positive, negative, where they meet. It's called the origin. This line is the x-axis. And the number line that goes up and down is the y-axis. All right. Then, let's say I wanted to label this. That would be maybe the specific dot. Let's just do this. This specific one is called a point. All right, each of these sections are called quadrants. And usually when we read, we would think we start on the right and we move to the left, kind of like how we read a book or something like that. But the quadrants actually start here. This is quadrant 1. And quadrant 1 has positive numbers on the x and positive numbers on the y. So quadrant 1 is positive, positive. And then we move left, quadrant 2. We use Roman numerals to label them. We have the positive of the x and the negative, the negative of the x and the positive of the y. We always put x first, so we have negative, positive. Then we keep going in a circle, coordinate 3, and this has the negative x and the negative y, so it's a negative, negative. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember that Roman numerals, that means 1 less than 5. Has the positive x and the negative y. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers such as 5, -4, used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. So every point actually has a spot or a name, and that's called its ordered pair. All right, so we do the x-axis first. That's the 5. And then the y-axis second. X always comes first, kind of how X comes first in the alphabet. We always write the x-axis first. We always start with the x-axis. All right? So, let's go ahead and do some practice. Let's flip this over. All right, we are going to start with locating some points. So if we have point D and we want to get to point D, what we're going to do, I'm going to get closer for you. We start with the x-axis, so we go x, goes to -4. And then we put a comma. And it goes to y. It goes up to y. Those numbers are a little off. That's 1 and then that's 2. 2. So point D is -4, 2. That's how you write it. It's in the second quadrant. All right, let's do point A. Okay, we do x-axis first. So x goes -3, comma, and then down to negative. Oh, those numbers are off too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. And we put parentheses around it, just like that. All right, B, x-axis first. X goes to 3. And then 3, and then down to the negative what? 2, 3, and 4. Parentheses. And then C is on the line, so it goes to x is 4. And do you see how the y, it doesn't go up or down, it stays right on the line, so it's 0. All right. So we just named those points. You can leave them there if you want, or you can write them in. All right, then let's say we have to graph some ordered pairs. Okay, here they've graphed K. K was 2, -5. All right, and there's no numbers on this. You can write the numbers in if you want, or you can count them. All right, so L. X is -4 and y is 2. Okay, remember that the positive numbers go for y go up and then negatives down. All right, so we're going to start at the origin. We have -4, 2. So we're going to go -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, +2, 1, 2. Put a dot and label it. Okay, I'm going to do one more of you, and then you guys are going to do the next two. M is -5, -3. So x is -5, y is -3. So -5, start at the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down, -3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to label that M. All right, you guys are going to do N and O. Practice that. All right, and then on the bottom of this page, we're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to write the ordered pairs, and then we're going to plot a few numbers. All right, so let's practice that. First one is P. Okay, there's P right here. If you need to write in the numbers, write in the numbers. If not, we go -1, -2. So x is -2. And then y, how many down? -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5. So then we write in -2, -5. You might want to write the numbers in on your number line. Okay, if you do, remember this is negative. Okay, negative, positive. And this way's positive. All right? And then let's say V, we have to plot V. V is 2, X is 2, Y is 3. So we go over 2, up 3. 1, 2, 3. And we put a dot, and we label it V. All right, so you guys are going to practice that, and then you're going to practice. I have a few more on this page for you to practice. That's it for math today, okay? So you're practicing plotting numbers today. All right, you will really want to make sure you get this down today, because tomorrow we're actually going to create a picture based on our coordinate points. If you get stuck, please give me a call.